Hi, I'm Jo, and in this video, I'd like to talk to you about the Get to Know IELTS section of our site. On the home page, you can select Get to Know IELTS, and for each skill, you can access information that explains to you what is in the test and what you need to do. For example, for speaking, you can find and learn about the different parts of the test, and you can also look at speaking model answers. For writing, you can learn about both parts of the test and also access the model answers here. Additionally, you can use this button here to try the IELTS on computer test. This is a familiarization test that will show you the format of the computerized IELTS test. This is also available for listening, as well as different activities about different question types. And for reading, familiarization test, you can learn about the test and all of the different question types. So this section is very useful if you're new to IELTS, if you're just starting to study and you need to find out the basics about the test.